Hi folks, my name is Rasmus, and today I will show you how we handle the fish from when it comes out of the nets and until it's landed in the fish market in Denmark. More than 3 years ago, I started a Facebook page with the ship Karbak, and it's been really successful, where we have made a lot of daily clips from the sea. We have made food recipes, or rather fish recipes, on how to cook fish. We have made fun, we have made political statements and all that. It's all been in Danish, and I've been satisfied with that. But I've also felt that Facebook was not the right place to show more in-depth video about life here at sea. And since I decided YouTube would be the place, I've also decided to keep it in English, because when you put things on YouTube, it's for a much larger audience for things like this. This will be the first of hopefully many more in-depth videos from Karbak. Some might be serious, some might not be so serious. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy it, and if you want more, please like and subscribe to the channel. We always try to keep as good a quality of the fish as possibly can. One of the things we do is we never tow the trawls more than 5 hours to avoid them losing quality. So when we get them on board, they should be alive and kicking, and as best possible, of course. And the next step on the line, if you can say it like that, is to get them clean gutted as fast as possible. And we start on that as soon as we get the fish on board, in the way that the two crew member and me are shooting the nets again, and the rest of the guys start cleaning the fish right away. Gutting the fish, we also sort it. So it will all be sorted in species, like cod goes in one box, and saithe in another, and monkfish in the third, and like that. And we also do a size sorting. Cods will be in 6 different sizes, and saithe in 3, and monkfish in 5. So the fish will be sorted and gutted already when we handle it the first time. And it's of course very important that we do that as fast as possibly. The next step when the fish is gutted and washed is to get it into the boxes in the fish room. The process is that it will be sorted according to its weight. So cod will be from 0.3 to 1 kilo, 1 to 2 kilo, 2 to 4 kilo, 4 to 7.5 kilo, etc. They will come in a box that is with ice, and then they will be labeled with the weight, the date, and where they have been caught, and of course the name of the ship. And then we put it in the fish hold, if you can say it like this, where we try and sort them out. So size 3 cod is in rows of 5, and like that. Everything in the fish room is basically ready to put up on the fish market. And we of course try to get it into the fish market as fast as all possible. Usually we are in harbor between once a week and at most every 10 days, where we, if at all possible, have a maximum age of the fish for 8 days old, and that is when the fishing is really bad. But since the fish is date sorted, it's possible for the buyers to decide if they will lower the prices for the older fish. And when we have the fish in the fish market, it's more or less all of it is either processed in Hanstholm, or it's sent directly south to Spain or France or Italy or something like that. So for some species they will process it. That's usually saithe and small cod and haddock. And other fish, they like hake or monkfish, they will just send directly to the fish markets or the shops in Spain or whatever. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, and there will be more soon.